I'm taking a video now na
Not live.
live. Hello.
Buang Pinoy thunderstorm. The lightning storm. Hopefully nobody's
Tingnan
golfing
lumang
out there.
dagat to.
Luckily nobody's swimming. Otherwise I get struck right in the head,
Oh gosh,
right in the
good.
dinged right in the noggin. You know. That's why if you're out on a boat, you got to get in really fast because only the highest thing can get struck by lightning. That's why drugs are allowed in the Philippines. Because if you get too high, you can get struck by lightning. I've heard from some potheads. But you get really, really high. Someone got struck by lightning one time. I heard that.
Strong kayong waves. Nindot kayo paminaw.
Otherwise, I got light, so you gotta go out there to get the lightning.
Yeah, that's
good
very, very mad.
I don't care if Sunday stands, Monday, Tuesday fall apart, Wednesday doesn't even stand. It's today I'm in love. Saturday, I'm not going home too late. I live here forever too. If I could just be with you, but Friday I won't have to
I'm filming.
but
Oh my
I'll
gosh.
still be in love.
Very strong.
That is my love. I finally found my wife. I finally found the person to keep my life. Never thought your day would come. Never thought it could be gone. But it won't be gone for too long. For
What's that you're singing?
can come again. Making up my own rapping, sort of.
Island niya o kita na ninyo pag iglap. Galit ang langit.